Are you in need of a powerful and versatile cutting option for many different materials? Whether it be composite decking or laminate flooring, to cutting intricate angles in plywood sheets? Well, stay tuned, because we've got you covered right here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R90JGS-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw with 5 multi-material blades included. This jigsaw is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. You can now effectively cut a wide variety of materials, from flooring, timber, MDF, plastics or sheet metal. The cutting capacity of this jigsaw is up to 90mm thickness in wood. Moving on to the handle, it has an ergonomic design that has a soft grip, ensuring comfort and control when in use, which is especially handy during that long, repeat sheet material cutting. It's also fitted with a variable speed trigger control, which is pressure sensitive up to 2300 RPM. The jigsaw comes supplied with an adjustable parallel edge guide. Removal, or of course installation of the edge guide is easy, enabling a quick return to freehand cutting when needed. Blade changes are quick and easy on this saw, and can be achieved completely tool-free. An LED work light has been fitted to the machine to help you with visibility during operation. A great feature that I really like is the air blower. It helps with blowing the dust away from the blade and the working area, helping the user with accuracy of cut by ensuring cutting lines are kept clear and readily visible. Moving on to the base plate. On this machine, it's fully adjustable. Simply loosen the locking lever here. This can bevel both left and right up to 45 degrees. This will assist you when making bevel cuts in skirting boards, architraves or coving. So there we have it, the Evolution R90JGS-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw with 5 multi-material jigsaw blades included. A great option for woodworking, flooring, decking and much more. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.